2011 to 5 Motor replacement steps. 1. Use a Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the bait boat. 2. Open the upper cover. 3. Disconnect the motor. 4. Use a Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the waterproof grass cover and remove it. 5. Use a flat blade screwdriver to remove the waterproof glue in the motor. Do the same procedure for another motor. 6. Install the new motor. Note: the left motor propeller direction is clockwise and the right motor propeller direction is counterclockwise. 7. Install the waterproof grass cover on the bottom of the boat. 8. Use a glue gun to glue a circle of the connection between the motor and the bottom of the boat hull. Wait for the glue to set. 9. Connect the power cable to the motor. 10. Cover the upper cover of the boat and tighten the screws. 11. Operate the controller and the motor runs normally. 12.2011 to 5 Motor replacement completed.